Thank you for joining Pioneer. I'm Chris, STEAM Specialist at Norman Public Library Central. Today I want to make a recipe I've never tried before, Dorie Greenspan's Bittersweet Brownies from her cookbook, Baking from My Home to Yours. It's available on Hoopla, free with your Pioneer Library card. I chose this recipe because I love chocolate, and these brownies don't have any extras or frills. Maybe next time I'll try one of her many other brownie recipes, but today I'm all about the chocolate. In the recipe introduction, she suggests that you use the best chocolate you can find, so if you're following along, you'll need to pick up 9 ounces of your favorite chocolate, whatever brand that may be. We also need 2 sticks of butter cut into pieces, 1½ cups of sugar, 4 large eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, ½ teaspoon salt, 1 cup all-purpose flour. Preheat your oven to 325. We're going to start by prepping our pan. This will make our life way easier when it comes time to get the brownies out of the pan. First, I'm going to hit the pan with a little bit of cooking spray as extra insurance against sticking. Then I'm going to take 2 pieces of foil that are a bit longer than my 9x13 baking pan, and I'm going to lay them into the pan crisscrossing. Now, if you're using regular foil, you have to butter it, but I'm using nonstick foil here, so I'm going to skip that step. Now, Dorie wants us to get the chocolate emulsified into the butter without breaking the butter. To do this, we're going to put a pan of water on the stove and get it simmering. While that heats up, I'm going to finely chop my chocolate and put it and the butter into a metal bowl that fits over the pan on the stove. Now, stirring more or less constantly, let the butter and chocolate melt together. As soon as it's combined and smooth, take it off the heat. Now add the sugar and whisk to combine. It's going to get grainy here, but that's okay. Whisk in the eggs one at a time, then add the vanilla. I love Dorie's next instruction here. She says to whisk enthusiastically to smooth the batter. I'm not quite sure what that means. Oh well, let's try. Do you suppose that was enthusiastic enough? I hope so. The final step's to add the salt and flour, stirring just until they're combined. Don't whisk this though, you'll get tough brownies, and no one likes tough brownies. Scrape the batter into the pan and smooth it out. You'll get a pretty thin layer, only about 3/4 of an inch deep. Bake the brownies for 20 to 22 minutes until a knife poked into the middle comes out clean. Let the pan sit on a rack until it's cool. To get them out of the pan, you can lift up on the strips of foil, and if all goes well, your brownies will pop right out. Now, the next step says to cut these into 32 pieces, which must be some kind of mistake, because this clearly made 1 brownie, which I'm now going to eat. What's that? Sorry, a word from my wife.
It makes 2 brownies. 2.
Right, so like I was saying, this recipe clearly makes 2 brownies. So I'm just going to cut this in half, like so. And that's it. 2 brownies. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, like and share below.